Welcome to Cloud MLM Software, your all-in-one solution for managing and scaling your multi-level marketing business. This video provides a comprehensive walkthrough of the demo dashboard, covering everything from registration to logout, and showcasing its key features and functionalities. Let's get started. To access our Cloud MLM software demo, the first step is registration. To open the registration page, visit demo.cloudmlmsoftware.com. Fill in your details, including email, username, password, referral code, if any, date of birth, country, and mobile number. Then choose your preferred plan, submit the form, and verify your email to complete the process. Additionally, you can select your preferred language using the option at the top right corner. If you already have an account, click the Login button next to it. Once you have a registered account, simply enter your login credentials, including your email address, password, and the desired business plan. Then click the Login button to access your dashboard. All set! Let's take a look at your dashboard, a comprehensive and centralized interface designed to give you a unified view of everything in one place, including your financial earnings, professional network, and team engagement metrics. At the top, you'll see your total income, reflecting the commission you've earned. Your expenses are clearly itemized to help you track where your money is going. Your current balance updates automatically, offering a clear snapshot of your remaining funds. As your business grows, so does your network. The real-time graph shows who joined, when they joined, and how they connect to your team. You can also view your current rank level, which unlocks endless possibilities. A complete list of referrals is displayed below the real-time graph, showing their join dates and current status for easy tracking. Team performance insights are also readily accessible. Monitor who is excelling and identify areas where additional support may be beneficial. The event calendar keeps you informed of all upcoming activities, meetings, promotions, and important reminders, so you're always prepared. Click the link below to access the company's official Telegram group. Next up is the online store. Browse items added by the admin, complete with images and details. Use the search bar or filter by category to find what you need fast. When you're ready to purchase, you have two options: Buy Now or Add to Cart. Clicking Buy Now takes you directly to the checkout page, where your cart is displayed. Here, you can review the items you've selected, make any final adjustments, and click Checkout to proceed with the purchase. The platform provides multiple payment options, giving you flexibility based on your preferred method. At checkout, you'll also find a field to enter your coupon code. If you have one, simply paste it into the box. Click Apply. Once everything looks good, your items are selected, payment method chosen, and discounts applied. Just click Complete Order to finalize the transaction. Want more value? Explore the available packages, compare the details, and make your purchase right from the platform. You can also easily keep track of everything you've ordered, from detailed purchase history and payment status to delivery updates, so you always know exactly where your order stands from start to finish. And check to see if there's anything still pending for admin approval. Oh, and don't forget to check the coupon section. Find available codes, see the discounts, and use them before they expire. For a deeper view of your network, our genealogy tools show how your team is arranged in a clear tree format, so you can see connections and who referred whom. You can use the search bar to quickly find any member and view details like their name, username, and email. There's also an option to add new members by entering their details, making it easy to keep your team organized. Want to know who referred whom? The sponsor tree gives you that clarity. If you like a clean top-down layout, the vertical tree is perfect. And for quick searches or downloads, the list view keeps everything simple and accessible. With binary leg settings, you can even manage the placement of new referrals, left or right, depending on your growth strategy. Now, we'll explore the financial section for a detailed view of your earnings and transactions in one place. E-wallet. At the top, you can see your bonuses, credits, debits, and payouts. Below that is your transaction history. You can filter by date, search for a user, and choose from various amount types available. Everything is easy to view and helps you keep track of your money clearly and quickly. The deposit wallet shows your balance, total credits, and debits at a glance. You can check all transactions below and filter them by date, user, or type, with multiple transaction categories to select from. The Fund Transfer section lets you send money to another user. You can see your e-wallet and deposit wallet balances at the top. Just choose the wallet you want to use, find the user, enter the amount, and add a note if you like. Then click Send. It is a fast and easy way to transfer funds. The Request Payout section lets you withdraw funds by entering an amount and choosing either crypto payout or manual bank payout. You can also view your past requests with details like amount, method, and status. Your Profile section keeps your personal info, sponsor details, and activity log all in one place. And of course, if anything needs updating, whether it's your contact info or profile picture, you can edit it anytime. Settings enables you to manage your login and transaction passwords. The Payout section allows you to update coin payment and direct payment information. Referrals provides an overview of your invited users. Notes serves as a space to store important information, and KYC displays your verification status as approved by the admin. Blogs, where you can discover engaging articles and use the search feature to quickly find topics that spark your interest and keep you inspired. The Help Center provides access to FAQs, allowing you to browse questions by category. By clicking Create a Ticket, you'll be directed to the Support Ticket section to submit a ticket, provide details, and receive follow-up. The Email section enables you to compose and send messages, manage replies, and stay connected with admins, sponsors, and other users. The Help Center includes dedicated sections for the knowledge base, documents, and informational videos, providing users with easy access to essential resources. The Leads section displays a list of people who showed interest and signed up through your page, making it easy for you to follow up with them. Finally, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find all the tools you need to personalize your experience. You can easily switch the currency to your local money, check the bell icon for important alerts, adjust your account settings, and even change the website's language. In the Profile section, you'll also find the Logout button that redirects you to the login page. You have just seen a quick glimpse of what our Cloud MLM software can do. We'll provide a customized demo that fits your business model and requirements, giving you exactly what you need to grow with confidence.